Alright, thanks for stopping by. In this video I just wanted to outline some of the new products that we've actually just produced for the summer here. These are upgraded servers and workstations. They're using latest hardware compared to last generation, which was older and was actually not even on our website. It was only local. So to get to view it, all you have to do is go on our website and go to products. And we have our new servers, our new workstations, and our supercomputers and clusters. Now, these supercomputers and clusters, the architecture is not quite finalized, and it will be finalized within about 6 to 7 months. As you can probably figure out, designing supercomputing architecture is not an easy thing to do, and it needs to be done with a lot of testing. So that's what we were doing. What I can tell you though is we are going to have anything from Raspberry Pi based clusters for home users to be doing, very cost effective for home users to be doing render farms for 3D models, stuff like that. So some very exciting things, and we'll also be having the major 4 42U rack based systems, which are each filled with 1U quad socket servers, which are, or each node with storage nodes attached. So quite very high performance systems will be used for in cryptography and in other major design things so like gas exploration, gas and oil exploration, nuclear and biological simulations, stuff like that. Those are also custom made to your liking, and we will have other pre-built, predetermined options. Our servers, let's take a look at our servers here. We have 3 servers available: Phoenix, Bluebird, and Dragonfire. The first 2 are 1U servers. That's a single socket, dual socket, and then quad socket. We will be offering storage servers as well, so mass and SAN systems, but those are still in development and should be available in the next month or so. Now let's take a look at Phoenix. Phoenix is our budget server. It's still a very performance system, utilizing a 12-core, 2.8 gigahertz AMD Opteron processor with, let me see here, 16 gigabytes of memory. This is very upgradable and very scalable for your business needs. So if you want, you can put in, it does support up to 16 core processors. So you can put in a higher processor, and it supports up to 512 gigabytes worth of memory. So you can upgrade it quite a lot. It has 16 gigs of installed ECC memory and 4 1 terabyte Western Digital enterprise drives in RAID. So that's quite an awesome system right there. They're also hot swappable drives, so if one fails, you can just pop it out and pop in a new one. Now, if you want to purchase one of these servers from us, just click request a quote and fill out the form, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Let's go back here. Bluebird, this is our mid-range system. It still has, it has a lot of processing power for its size and its price point. It's twin 16, wait, did I forget to put that on there? I did. If I remember right, that's twin 12-core twin 16-core processors. Excuse me. I will have to add that. Okay. Well, it's twin AMD Opteron 6376 processors. Yeah, okay. I wasn't looking here properly. 16 times 2 cores operating at 2.3 gigahertz each. So that is 32, no, 32, I think. I'm not very good with math. 32 cores total. This is upgradable as well in terms of memory. It has 32 gigabytes of installed memory. This server is very, very good, very well suited for Minecraft servers. Oops. As well as virtualization and like VPS, hosting VPS systems for websites, all sorts of things like that. Now, each one of those hard drive bays is populated with 8 1 terabyte 7200K Western Digital drives, enterprise drives. It also has, if I am correct, no, this is not, okay. But also all of these systems are very upgradable, very scalable. You can put more memory in them, higher spec processors, etc., etc. Now let's go to our highest performing system. This is the highest performing server we offer. This would be built for serious virtualization, and even if you're going to build your own custom supercomputer, these can be used as your processing nodes. It's a 2U server with 4 16-core processors running at 2.8 gigahertz. So that's 64 cores total of processing power, with 1 terabyte, yes, 1024 gigabytes of memory. So this can handle a very, very, very large amount of users. It's completely maxed out in that point. It also features NVIDIA Tesla GPUs. Now, if I can remember the exact amount, do I not have it listed on here? I don't think I do. Wow. Alright. But it does have an NVIDIA Tesla, I think it's a K20X graphics processing unit in it, and this allows very, very high performance virtualization technology using that GPU. Now, let's go over to our workstations here. Workstations. Now we have, again, 3, our budget, our mid-range, and our high-end. Our budget Lynx workstation is designed for AutoCAD and Photoshop and AutoCAD, Photoshop, and video rendering. Also a little bit of gaming, because you kind of need to get away once in a while and have a little break. This system features a 8-core AMD Opteron 6320 processor with 8 gigabytes of ECC memory. All of these systems have ECC air checking memory. It also features a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 660, which allows parallel processing with CUDA and very high performance graphics-wise. So yes, I'll scroll slowly so you can see the specs. It also has a 2 1 terabyte hard drives for storing all of your photos and videos and things like that. And again, these are very scalable as well. These do also come with an optional smart card reader if you want to increase security and things like that. Now, Leopard. Leopard is more for, again, 3D modeling and graphics and VFX creation. It's very high power, but in a small form factor and a very good price range. It's a full tower ATX case, but it's also 4U rack mountable, so you can put this in your rack if you so desire. It features an AMD, a 12-core AMD Opteron 6320 processor, and the motherboard is actually the same motherboard that is in our Phoenix server. So it is server hardware, so if you wanted to, you could actually run these workstations as mobile servers. It also has 16 gigabytes of memory with support up to 256 gigabytes of registered ECC. This one, though, however, has much higher graphics processing. It has a NVIDIA Quadro K4000 series GPU, which allows very good performance with engineering applications such as AutoCAD, also 3ds Max, Mudbox, things like that. It's a real powerhouse. It has twin 2 terabyte hard drives this time, so you get 4 terabytes of storage, and and also a 80 gigabyte solid state drive. This allows Windows or Linux, which all of these systems you can choose between Windows and Linux, or even other operating systems such as Solaris and what have you. It allows the operating system to boot very, very fast, and allows very good performance with that. And you can also load any programs which you need very high read-write speeds to your hard drive onto the SSD as well. But please keep in mind that solid-state drives have a write limit, so you want to minimize writes to your solid-state disk. All of these systems also come with twin gigabit Ethernet ports, and optical NICs and InfiniBand cards are optional. If we go back, now we have Cheetah. This system is our max, it's our completely maxed out workstation. It is not completely finalized yet, but it has I can tell you it has twin 16-core processors, up to 1 terabyte of ECC memory, Intel SSD technology, and NVIDIA Maximus GPU technology. What this means is that you'll have twin NVIDIA Tesla GPUs and one NVIDIA Quadro series GPU, which allows extreme performance, graphical performance. It also is completely liquid cooled, so you don't have to worry about your system overheating in the summer. Now, I can show you actually what the exact specifications are for all of these. Just give me a minute. So let me open up my file server here. Type today, jeez. Oops. .tx. Alright. Now, I'm sharing this with you. Okay. Phoenix. It's featuring a lot of super micro technology, their cases and their motherboards, with Kingston memory and Seagate hard drives and AMD Opteron processors. Now, if I go down, yes, here we go. Dragonfire has 2 NVIDIA Tesla K20 series GPUs. I forgot to put that on the website, and I will right after I'm done this. If I go down to Cheetah, here we go. Right now, we've got eight 4 GB modules of Kingston memory, so that's 32 gigs total. Server ECC memory. This can be upgraded to a maximum of 1 TB. Twin AMD Opteron processors. Oh no, wait. Am I on the right one? Yes, I am. Twin NVIDIA Opteron, or NVIDIA, what? AMD Opteron processors for 32 cores of processing power. 3 Seagate 1200 series 800 GB SSDs. Along with 7 Seagate Savio 15K 300 GB drives, which is using FIPS encryption. So these are hardware encrypted drives which allow you to secure your data. A 1500 watt power supply and a single NVIDIA Quadro K5000 and twin NVIDIA Tesla K20s. This is a very, 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 very high performance system. It's not designed for gaming, it's designed for work and productivity. Now we are going to be designing some gaming systems as well. One of the ones that I've got so far is the Scorpio, which is our budget one. Right now I've got a Cooler Master Storm Scout, a Gigabyte GA F2A that one, motherboard, 8 GB of Corsair Vengeance, and a AMD A10 6800K quad-core Black Edition processor. Now these will be updated onto the store as soon as I can. Also, more products including routers and firewalls and storage servers will be coming out soon. So yeah, we've got some exciting stuff for the summer. If you have any questions about any of our products, feel free to shoot me an email, call me, or leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.